Hey everyone, this is Ryan Cote from Ballantine here with a solo version of our Market a Minute. So today I want to talk about what Google really wants in a website. And it's pretty clear if you look at the steps that they've taken over the last couple of years. They want a site that's very mobile responsive, and that's clear with their mobile first index update. They want a site that is secure, and that's clear because of the changes they made with adding not secure to HTTP websites. They want your website to be HTTPS, which means secure. And then with their latest announcement with PageSpeed, they want sites that load fast on mobile, so they released a PageSpeed update, potentially penalizing websites with slow mobile sites. So mobile responsive, secure URLs, and a fast website. That's what Google wants. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to receive notifications when we release new videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.